guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing and install of this 12-inch glueless bob wig. It came pre-plucked with the knots already bleached. And of course, it is from BGM Girl Hair. And let me tell you, their glueless wigs just eat. They absolutely eat. And the quality, like this wig is giving. It already came with these nice blunt cut ends, but we're gonna get into all that. Let me not talk too much. So, BGM Girl Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So of course, I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. I'm sorry, I kind of cut it open to peek inside a little bit, but Black Girl Magic always protects their wigs so well. I do appreciate it. They have this bubble wrap around the wigs. So let's see what we got here. Like, I feel like everyone agrees that they have some of the best glueless wigs, period. Like, I've seen nothing but good things from them, honestly. So let's see what we're working with here. So bam, here it is. Here is the wig. They put it in this cute little shopping bag. Bam, bam, bam. You can hold it like this. Let's take it out the box. So this should be just a little 12-inch bob wig. So this is really cute. I love working out in a good bob. I love running errands in a bob. The bobs are grown. So here is the box. And on the back, they do have their social media handles if you want to check them out there. So let's look at these gifts before we actually get to the wig. So, comes in this little baggie. Let's see what we have here. So firstly, you get a bonnet. Let me put this thing on real quick. Bam, you get a cute pink bonnet. Here is a flyer that tells you how to care for the hair. And if you share the hair, you can get some money back. And it has a TikTok program, TikTok partner program. Okay, I might have to check this out. It has an edge brush, and I love these that have an actual comb region on the side because not all of them have that, believe it or not. Comes with a pair of lashes, has their branding on it. Here is a headband for when you install the wig. If you decide to glue this wig down or you're sleeping in this wig, whatever you need this headband for, you got it. You got it, you got it. Here is a wig cap, a normal wig cap, and also this is a good wig cap because it's a little darker. So for my brown skin girlies like me or dark skin girlies, like, you might want to go with this one because it's just going to eat a little more than the HD on us because this one is just a little lighter. Bam. So now we can get to the wig, you guys. So this is a 12-inch straight wig. Here it is, straight, 12 inches. So let's actually open it up. So this wig is already pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached and it is completely glueless. So I should be able to just put this wig on and call it a day, you guys. Look at that, look at that. Look at the movement. She is giving, she is eating. One thing about Black Girl Magic, not only is the lace really easy to work with, the hair itself always gives. Look at that. This is what you want in a bob. And I do like that the ends are already blunt. Like, I'm not gonna have to do much to this wig at all. Like, hold on, this is really, really soft and thick. This is a nice, nice bob. But let's get into the front. Like, as you can see, you have a nice long middle part. I love a nice long middle part. You have, it's pre-plucked over here on the sides. Like, this is a nice natural plucking. You don't want it too thin or too thick. Like, this is nice and natural. Like, bam, here it is. So let's go ahead and take this thing off of the paper so we can really see what we're working with and look at the inside of this wig a little bit. So you have a nice amount of lace, so you still do have enough room to do a side part. If you want a side part, you could do a nice little updo. I love a nice bob, like half up, half down style. I think that is so, so cute. And you have enough room to do baby hair if you want to do baby hair. And of course, it has an elastic band. So it has all of the bells and whistles, and like, look at that. Bam, 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 bam. It's beautiful. So I don't usually wear a wig cap, and I am only going to add a little bit of lace tint to the lace, and that's all I should have to do to this wig, you guys. So I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna spray a little lace tint to get this a little closer to my skin tone. Okay, and let's go ahead and put this wig on to see what we're working with here, you guys. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This is already eating, you guys. Oh, bam. They did already cut the mess out of this hair. Like, they slayed it, honey. They completely slayed it. I love it. Like, that's how fast it is to install this wig. This is cute. This is cute. This is eating, you guys. Like, all I want in life is a nice collection of glueless wigs. And let me tell you, people will never be able to guess my next move. One day you got a bob, next day you're kinky, straight. Like, this is so, so cute, and like, it was so easy. So let's go ahead and flatten this a little bit. We're gonna get it just a little bit flatter. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse to the top. Let me bring this down. Let's make my forehead a little smaller. So as you all can see, the wig is not glued down at all, you guys. Like, you don't need glue. It's completely glueless. And if you have a smaller head, of course, that elastic band that I showed you all in the beginning, you can just tighten it a little bit. But yes, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's add a little bit of mousse to make this just flat, flat, flat. But I do love what they did with this cut. The cut is really, really cute. I like it. I'm telling y'all, I just love a nice long middle part. Like, it just eats. I love it, love it, love it. But like I said, you can still do your little side part if you want a side part. Let me show you all a side part right here. If you want to do a side part, you can do like pigtails like that, which I think is really, really cute. So you definitely still have enough lace to where you can play with the wig a little bit. You can still do a side part either direction, half up, half down. Like, you have a lot of options. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the middle part to get it just a little more apparent. Hold on, I think this is not in the middle. One thing about me, my middle part is never in the middle. Like, I don't know if you watch my videos, I can never put my middle part in the middle. But I am so glad with this wig, I can just shift it over. So let's do this. Bam. Bam, okay, yeah. And now the middle part is just eating. Gonna hit it with the hot comb one more time. Make sure it's flat, flat, flat. But no glue necessary, you guys. No glue at all. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, so cute. So this little part over here, we want it seamless. So I'm just gonna run the flat iron through it. But I do love the way they cut this wig. Like, they made it a nice blunt cut. And with a lot of wigs, you still have to cut it. Like, I do love the way they did that. And it is just so, so silky and smooth. Like, this is really pretty. It's giving Dora the Explorer. I like it a lot, a lot, a lot. Bam, very, very cute. I love it. Like, Black Girl Magic, let me tell you, BGM girl hair always comes through with the glueless wigs, period. I love them, love them, love them. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.